Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is my buddy Tom's MX5. He helps me out loads. He was the guy who told me that the camshaft lobes spin on a 1.6 HDI when the timing belt goes. No one else, well, they might have known, no one else told me. Tom was straight in there, that's what it is, changed the cam, it was perfect afterwards. So he said, can I help him out with this one? It's chassis, front chassis legs. Where's my torch? Well, you can see where that one's gone. There. He's got the sections, so I don't have to make anything. And same on this side. This side the engine's a bit closer. See down there. It's not bad, but just had to do the horrible phone call. And, do you know where the lock and wheel nut key is? No, it hasn't got lock and wheel nuts on it. It's like, it has got lock and wheel nuts on it, but thank goodness, I feel pretty lucky today. I'll try my lottery tickets later. Managed to get both of them off with alloy wheel lock and wheel nut removal sockets, which have got, you see it's cut a thread, so they've got a left hand thread which gets smaller as the socket goes on. So you hammer it on the first bit, and then these were on there, these had been tightened up with a gun for some stupid reason. But yeah, hammer on the first, then stick it on a gun while pushing it forward, and then to get these out of the socket, put it in a vise and run the gun clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. Anyway, they're off, wheels are off, so we can see what we're doing. These anti-roll bar brackets are, they had a spot weld in the middle on both, even though they bolted as well. And there's a similar one, I can't see, in the middle there on this one. So yeah, we're going to get those off. I've already moved quite a lot of stuff out the way. Power steering, reservoir, cooler, which is down there. Airbox, radiator. This I assume was a carbon canister or something. Might have to, it depends how far I need to go back on the inside edge. I don't think I'm going to use all of these. Can't work out what this bolt, there's a bolt welded in to give a thread. That doesn't seem to be there. And these are not exact copies. Because on the car, so you've got these turn downs, which these haven't got. So don't know. I'll have a look. I don't think we're going to use all of these. Yeah. Take some more, drill those out, get those brackets off out the way, get a bit further up in the air, and see what we do. Did I put those bolts on there? Don't remember putting it. Yeah, maybe they were already there. Okay, next bit. Hope everyone's staying safe. I'm at the workshop. This car's been dropped off weeks ago. I'm on my own, there's nobody else here. I've already tidied all my tools. All the random boxes of tools. I've noticed the floor. Sorted some areas out in the back. Do an update on where we are with the Defender. Not in a particularly good place at the moment. I've gone through all my nuts and bolts and odds and sods trays, cleared benches, created another set of tools so I don't have to keep walking back and forth. We'll be looking at that soon. This, I don't think I ever did the video on my storage room. This is my storage room, which has got a couple of toys in. So quickly, it's an MGB roadster that I built when I was 14, for a picture in here. Built from a shell with my dad. Phase 1 Renault 19 16 valve Chimade, Phase 2 Renault 19 16 valve Chimade. Right at the back, you can just see the windscreen is a B-Reg 1984 Mk2 Golf, one with the court lights in, 3-door. That is this thing here is a left-hand drive 5-door Renault 1916 valve. It was Swiss registered. I picked it up for 200 quid ages ago. Two Astra GTE 16 valve with red tops in them. That, you can just see the badge there. Sorry, we've been tidying up, we've just been dumping stuff in here. Is Mark III Astra GSI 16 valve with the red top in. Behind the running machine and general, behind the Subaru sign underneath the silver Astra is black, it's been on the channel before, black Calibra 16 valve with a red top in and leather. You've seen my pickup. That's my dad's MGA, the EF, and I don't think I've put much on about the Figaro. That's my friend Andy's, which we're just about getting it. It's a nightmare of a car. Bunty Simon's Mark II Golf GTI 8 valve big bumper G-Reg. That's the blue GTE 8 valve that I bought. MGB GT automatic. This is my repaired ramp. This is where I've been dumping rubbish. Yeah, the Range Rover's out there and the Corrado was next to it. Impressor's at the house, but I've sold the impressor. Yeah, so we've done a bit of a quick workshop update as well. Yeah, so yeah, brackets off, let's get drilling. Alright, passenger side one is off. They only held on with one spot weld, and then you got the bolts as well, and this one should nearly be off. Quite nail the spot weld. There we go. So they need to go back onto the new section. So I'm going to keep those in the correct orientation so I don't get confused. And yeah, you see the problem we got with this. It's all bursting out on the bottom edge. And there. So we're going to do a bit of cleaning up. I think we're going to start with this side. I don't know. We'll clean up both sides so it doesn't make any difference. Right, heat gun. Yeah, so we've had a little exploratory. I think what it is double skinned. See, if we look inside, that skin on the inside looks alright. So I think once we've got this layer off, I'm gonna have to do some repairs and like I've just done this with a wood chisel. I have to do some repairs to the inner section before the section we've got can go over the top. Yeah, so that's it for today. I'm going to do some homeschooling. I'll catch you later.